Welcome to Radhivesh Finance, and we are going to upload this video just to tell the world that within a year what kind of statistic we have given whenever we launch our IPO videos. So that's the reason we have a subscription prediction overview part 1. Yes, absolutely, part 2 may be available by next week for all of you. So have a look around that. You will analyze it that Radhivesh Finance really gives a good statistic to the market, and yes, accordingly you can book the profit or you can exit from the market too. Choice is yours what you wanted to do with the market, because your money is valuable to you as well as to the market and us too. We are just giving a guidance. There is no scope for anything else apart from that. This is all about statistic, okay, or you can say analytics. What we are going to give it to you, how the IPO has get oversubscribed, how the IPO has not during the GMP, how much they book the profit, but in reality are they working in the as a multi-bagger? No or yes, that we will launch it our other videos too. Dear investors and viewers, we have started our LinkedIn profile too, which is to finance is our you will find it the logo with LinkedIn profile, so you can have a look around that and join us our LinkedIn profile too. Dear investors and viewers, here we are going to talk about the IPOs, the list of IPOs of Anupam Rasayan India Limited, Easy Trip Planner Limited, MTA Technology Limited, Haranba Industry Limited, Railtel Corporation India Limited, Eureka Limited, Stowcraft Limited, Home First Finance Company India Limited, Indigo Paints Limited, Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited. Dear investors and viewers, you also see other IPOs where we have given subscription predictions for the list of IPOs, and you will see what is exactly their listing date and when they have been launched and what predictions we have given. So under that we have other IPOs including Zaro Tiles Limited, Windlass Biotech Limited, Rolex Rings Limited, Glenmark Life Science Limited, Tattvachintan Pharma Chem Limited, Zomato Limited, GR Infra Projects Limited, Clean Science and Technology Limited, India Pesticides Limited, Krishna Institute of Medical Science Limited, Dodla Dairy Limited, Sham Metallics and Energy Limited, Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited, Macrotech Developers Limited, Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited, Nazara Technology Limited, Suryoday Small Finance Bank Limited, Kalyan Jewelers India Limited, Craftman Automation Limited, Lakshmi Organic Industries Limited, as well as one of the IPO we have missed from this list, and that is nothing but Brookfield. So that is one of the IPO which is from REIT. So yeah, in that case we are going to tell you where our predictions has comes true and where is not, and in that case you will analyze it too. Prediction about Indian Railway Finance Corporation IPO in 2021 January. Expected this IPO should be oversubscribed from 35% to 205% oversubscription. Please relief from grey market strategy as its government sector. Market is at risk on own decisions. Radhivesh Finance give one more tip is called as a prediction. Prediction about Indigo Paints IPO. We are expecting this IPO should oversubscribe from 15% to 25%. Please keep watch on grey market strategy. Kindly note that market is always on the risk So decision is yours how you will invest it. So Vriddhi Veg Finance give one tips is called as a prediction. In our prediction about Home First Finance Company India Limited IPO, we can say please keep watch on grey market strategy. Here they will gain the business, but it will be for a long term because loan people are taking a loan for a long term. That's the reason we will say they will gives you good return, but their long term strategy is there. So this IPO, if you are looking this IPO, you can concentrate on a long term benefit, as well as this IPO will be oversubscribed up to 5 to 10% according to us. Other than that, market is on own decision. Market is always on the risk. So this is your decision whether you want to invest in Home First Finance Company India Limited or not. We will gives one thing about here. Home First Finance Company is basically non-banking finance, and they are having covered up overall into the western and central states of India. Prediction, which is our favorite tips from Vriddhi Veg Finance. We are predicting that Stockraft Limited IPO will get oversubscribed. Even there are many IPOs are lined up in the February as well as this current week. Expected oversubscription is from 3% minimum to 15% oversubscription. And please keep watch on a gray market strategy. Market is on a risk on your own decision. Dear investors, if you see the Stockraft, they have achieved, limited has achieved 18.03% number of totalment for the category, and we have predicted it is just around 3 to 15%, so which is also comes true. And yes, in that case we achieved the subscription prediction. Vriddhi Veg Finance gives special tips about the prediction of IPO oversubscription, market risk on own decisions, expected retail IPO oversubscription between 65% to 160%. Please relief from grey market strategy as it's a government sector, but you can see the price once fluctuation under the price of IPO listing. You will see this pricing might be work like IRFC as similar as the Railtel Corporation. Hopefully you will gain on IPO listing, but we don't think so because Vriddhi Veg Finance think differentiating between IRFC and Railtel IPO, both are belongs to the railway corporations. So hopefully we will give some feedback after IPO listing. We are going to talk about where we have only achieved the subscription prediction, that is in case of Brookfield India Real Estate. We have achieved our upper band, that is we have expected this much only 3.2 over subscriptions, but it had just happened 7.94 percentage. Okay, dear investors and viewers, our first perfectly predictions has comes true. That is nothing but Haranba Industries IPO. In Haranba Industries IPO Industries Limited, it is has booked 83.29, where we have predicted maximum was 80%, and it is 83, hardly 3% we have missed out. So Nureka Limited IPO prediction about subscription. First, we would like to tell you market risk on own decisions. We are expecting Nureka Limited oversubscription from 5% to 10%. Please keep watch on grey market strategy, as they are doing their business via e-commerce or via channel partners. Apart from that, if you visit on their website, you will find all detail, but you can't see manufacturing unit, or you do really find they are having existence in USA, but their strategy, their product portfolio, their management, everything has mentioned on their website. So kindly go through and study from your end before you subscribe this IPO. This is our one of the best solution to you guys. If you see Nureka, we have given the subscription prediction, which is again the less we have given 10%, but they have completed around 17.98%. So we have achieved in case of Nureka. In case of Nureka too. Dear investors and viewers, Nureka's accumulated subscription is not available, so that's the reason only half we have uploaded over here. Okay. Now our turns prediction about MTAR Technologies IPO oversubscription. Guys, market is on risk. You have to take your own decisions. Your valuable money should invest it into the right share and equity and IPOs. Henceforth, we are giving some prediction about MTAR Technologies IPO oversubscription. We are expecting this subscription will happen 150 times more subscription, and up to it will goes to 200%. Because this company is into the private, and this company has completed 50 years in the market, they are having a strong holding with the government of India, and that is into space and defense sectors with nuclear energy. So this is our prediction. If you want to comment on our predictions, then we are welcome for it. And guess what, MTAR Technologies, that is one of the greatest achievement, and which we have given subscription prediction 200 to 250, but unfortunately 250 not happen, it happened only 200. So 200, where we are not aware actually where to get this sort of report of mutual cumulative reports, but right now you can read about it. MTAR Technology, how their diversification of shares has a number of mints for the total mint category is available. So it's a 200.79%. they have the bids during the issue was closed, and that's the reason MTAR Technology has break all records, and they have given a good amount of returns on the GMP. Is my trip IPO prediction? Vriddhi Veg Finance gives some sort of prediction. It's just a prediction. It can be the right, it can be the wrong, but we are expected this IPO will be oversubscribed by 20% to 80% oversubscription. Please keep a watch on a grey market strategy, so you can gain the benefit when IPO has got listed, or that IPO, as if you hold those shares on the long term basis. It depends on your own decision, because our investors are having value to the money, so it's their own decision to subscribe the IPO or not. Market risk on own decision, guys. You have to take own decision whether you are interested to subscribe this IPO, because see, travel business is always there forever, as everybody have a dreams to move from one country to another country for holiday, for any occasion of festival, for sports purpose, or for even would you like to travel just for fun, or for not only that, but also if you want to travel for job purpose, for assignment, for your meeting with the relatives and all. So travel business is always there. Dear investors and viewers, Easy Trip IPO we have given 80 maximum is oversubscription, but yes, they have also crossed that, and they have did it cumulative 159.33. Actually, during the year starting, we are not aware much about this kind of terms and all, so that's the reason we have only depends on the print media, and because of that we had to track a lot of things from the print media, what they are publishing, etc, etc. But where we do not find this kind of report, when because most of the companies, most of the news media was only will tell the numbers, 160% has subscribed this and this IPO, etc. But you can't find how much, whether foreign investors available, what mutual funds available, non-institutional investor and institutional investor including retail investor, etc, available. So in that case we have now uploading, because just now we are aware about this kind of IPO subscription, what exactly it is available, etc. So that's the reason Easy Trip Planners Limited initial probably we have say about the GMP and all, but subscription report probably we have lack over there, because we do not have a perfect grassroots over there, so we can't gives the proof. But right now you can see what exactly they have booked the subscription, how many number of bids has comes to them. Vriddhi Veg Finance give us special tips for Anupam Rasayan India Limited IPO 2021 prediction. It's just a prediction. There is nothing in between that. We do some sort of analysis about the company strategy, but it is just a number. You can do study from your end too, because market risk on own decisions. Your dear investor, your money is valuable. We are expecting this IPO subscription is 10% to 50% oversubscription. Please keep a watch on grey market strategy, where application lot size we are going to tell you over here. Minimum one lot you can order for 27 shares per lot, that is 14,985 rupees only, where maximum shares is lot 13 you can apply, and the shares will be 351, that is amount of total in Indian rupees 1,94,805 rupees only. Dear investors and viewers, Anupam Rasayan India Limited we have given subscription up to 50%, and yes, they also achieve around less than Anupam Rasayan India Limited achieve only just 44, means 6% less than what we have given maximum. So again it has achieved by us. Vriddhi Veg Finance give us special tips to their investors about oversubscription. Lakshmi Organic Industries Limited oversubscription prediction. We are expecting this IPO will get oversubscribed by 40% minimum to 150% oversubscription. Please keep watch on grey market strategy, and their promoters is Ravi Goenka along with Yellowstone Trust. are their promoter. This is a parent group of Goenka Group, parent company of Goenka Group. Market risk on own decisions. So it is your own decision whether you want to invest into the market or not. Dear investors and viewers, in case of Lakshmi Industries India Limited, if you really think that whatever we are giving in this report is total, all the predictions come from all our videos. If you want to cross check, you can check out. We have not changed our video at all those videos are available. You can go to our IPO list and then you will find it. Our prediction is literally true. Means we are not only just uploading or updating something on the video as a guidance, but we give the statistic which is really expecting. And in case of Anupam Rasai, in case of MTAR, in case of Nureka, everywhere it is happen. Yeah, we have a fail too. We are not denying that. Yes, people fails. Why not? Why can't people fail? But the thing is that whatever we have also given the perfect statistic to the market, that is also India's biggest IPOs of 2021. If you see all our video goes, you can sit for an hour and you can watch step by step. You will analyze it. Whatever we have given subscription prediction also comes true. We are not randomly writing while reading the reports and all. You can have a look around that. In case of Lakshmi Organic, we have given maximum 150 prediction and it has gone our minimum above, that is 40% we have expected. Also, yeah, 40% they have completed. Means Lakshmi Organic Industry has total mint for the category is 106.81. See, above 100 books, this IPO number of bids is really challenging for the company who is existing into the market since last many years also. So this is one of a good company which has booked the profit during the issue open. Okay. Craftsman Automation Limited IPO prediction. We are expecting this IPO will be oversubscribed by 25% to 70% over subscription based, because this company is based basically into the south region of India. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. You will analyze it, what is their current status, what they do, and whatever their changes is happening around the media. Dear investor, market risk on own decisions. So we can't comment on anything. You can do study by your own. This is just purpose to tell our investors what is basically the company into and how they have grown their business, and whether you would like to invest in to the market at IPOs. We are basically encouraging to investor to do investment into the IPOs to grow their money and company strategy too. You can visit on craftsmanautomations.com. See there, if you visit on their client contact locations, you will find it. They are having amazing products. You can inquire on their website, that is automotive powertrain, automotive aluminum casting for industrial product, high-end precision product and assembling, industrial precision and cleaning machine, material handling, apart from that storage solution, gearbox, gearbox, special purpose machine, tool room, mold base, sheet metal, etc. Dear investors, We are only giving you a guidance where you would like to invest in IPO. Please do study further from your end after our guidance, because your money is valuable for you and us. You have to invest by your own choice. We are giving just a prediction of about Kalyan Jewelers IPO. We are expecting this IPO will be oversubscribed by 100% to 280% oversubscription. Please keep watch on a gray market strategy, market risk on own decisions. Mr. T.S. Kalyanaraman, Mr. T.K. Sitaraman, and Mr. T.K. Ramesh Kalyanaraman are the company promoter. They are all of them are the managing director too. Chairman and managing director Mr. T.S. Kalyanaraman. Sarvodaya Small Finance Bank IPO prediction. We are expecting this IPO will get oversubscribed 100% to 250% oversubscription. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. The promoter of the bank is Bhaskar Babu Ramchandran, P. Surendra Pai, P.S. Jagdish, and G.V. Alankara. Market risk on own decision, but we are expecting this bank will give you good return as it is into the bank and it is registered by RBI, so you can invest it for long term and for future growth. Nazara Technology IPO prediction. Dear investors, we are just giving a prediction based on the company strategy. We are expecting this IPO get oversubscribed by 100% to 210% oversubscription, because they have a good amount of investors and have a good amount of management team. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. The Nazara Technology IPO promoter are Vikash Mitra Sen and Nitish Mitra Sen, where market risk on own decisions. Dear investor, your money is valuable for you, so please study from your end and then invest into the market. Dear investors and viewers, in case of Nazara Technology, we have not available the reports of cumulative. So we have uploaded only half of the report, that is 100% we have expected, and maximum is 210. But the reports is not available. So the another report which is halfly available, which shows it had just booked the IPO around how many percent, that is 75.04%. but according to us, it's people has written means print media has written Nazara Technology has given cumulative 175.5. So where we have given, we do not have the report which is supporting 175 as of now. We have tried our best to find out this report, but we are not able to find out. We have refreshed 10 times the website, but it wouldn't happen. So that's the reason we have given half only. No, probably I think so. Their numbers are missing. We are not aware actually. But then they have written in total. It's a 175.04 in reality, because print media is also given, but this report has shown only 75. So 75 is different and 175 is a different. But according to us, probably it's a 175, because in this report also with the by Nazara Technology, they have not did total, because if you see non-institutional investor is 148. So if any company has 148 as a middle number, then absolutely it will go to 175, right? Total will be the 175. Anyways, these reports has not made by us, and we are not going to change anything because it's a sensitive report, so that's the reason we keep 75 only, but in reality is a 175 according to the print media even. Dear investors, Baba Ganeshan Hospitality IPO prediction we are giving over here. We are expecting this IPO get subscribed from 90% to 175% because like there are like last week it happens that many IPO has came together. That's the reason investor is unable to understand which company is suitable for them. Henceforth, we are giving these expectations of subscription 90% to 175% because this is the only IPO. But last week whoever invested into the market and might they do not have the money to invest it, so that's the reason of subscription we given a rating less comparing to the last one, because last time we have given good amount of prediction according to the company strategy, but unfortunately it has been fail because there are 3 to 4 IPOs comes together. Okay, so investor had got confused or they are not understand how to target the company because money get locked by the company, blocked until they will release another IPO will get end. That's the reason we don't want to give a wrong subscription predictions. But this week this is the only Baba Ganeshan Hospitality IPO is for all retail investors, so retail investor can do their investment as per their expectations. Here are the promoters are Sayaji Hotel, Sayaji Housekeeping Services Limited, Kayum Damani, Rauf Damani and Suchitra Damani, where Kayum Damani is their founder as well as he is a promoter. Market risk on own decisions. So this is your decision whether you want to invest into this IPO or not. Shyam Metallic and Energy Limited IPO prediction. We are expecting this IPO subscription will happen between 35% to 125%. Please keep watch on a gray market strategy. Yes, this company can gives you good returns on the day of listing too. This is our predictions, but we will confirm it after the subscription finished out. Yes, market risk on own decisions, guys. So if you want to choose this IPO, you can choose it. It depends on your own decisions. We are just guiding about the company. Yes, this company is a literally bigger one, and if you really wanted to invest your money, you can go ahead, but it depends on your own decision whether you want listing gain, whether you want long term gain. It depends on that. Yes, this company can give you good returns, we can say, based on their company strategy and media presence. Dear investors and viewers, in case of Shyam Metallic and Energy Limited, we have given the subscription prediction is 125 up to maximum, but it has booked till 121.43%. So again it is nearly mid. We have at least 4%, 5%. It's okay, but in that case means we can't give the perfect predictions. No, we can give up to nearby 10%, 5%. In balancing the error is okay, but yeah, exactly, there are number of IPOs has launched, and in that case we always depends, in the past we are always depends on the print media, but now we are not depending on print media. Yes, in case of the company, we are not aware actually how the IPO close, whether that IPO may active for next 2 to 3 days. Yeah, next week we will launch our another video where you can find our latest predictions, and in that case subscription prediction, there are 2 to 3 mistakes which we have done. Because of Diwali we have to upload the GMP and all, as well as the diversification of shares of report, but it wouldn't happen because it has happened, but the report which we have given is a half one. Yeah, in case of Nykaa we have strongly said that this is the truth report. Yeah, that is also truth report, but it is a half one. The cumulative report was not available on that day on the website, so that's the reason we have given that reports anyways. But half report is also true, and then we will launch cumulative report very soonly. So in that case you will analyze it that yes, whatever we have given to the market is also truth, and yeah, it has not any random number which we have given up by our name or something. It has been from the stock exchange only. Okay, so in that case, dear investors and viewers, our subscription predictions comes before issue open, so there is a no proper support. Even whatever we given, and that is also random analysis based on some sort of predictions, and our predictions are also given a bands also, because many times it happens that a number of IPOs has opening their issues on the single day. So that's the reason we have keep this sort of bands to understand their strategy. And yes, we are not meeting or interviewing any management till dated, so that's the reason it is very hard to analyze it. Meant to say, we have not at that level as of now. Means 2020, since last year 2020 of December till 2021 of December, we have launching 50 videos and their respective GMP. So if you are going to analyze it any company, yeah, this will happen, that will happen, you need a strong base, and we are also keep learning along with you guys. So that is also challenging for us to know what exactly we can deliver to our clients. Anyways, we are going to talk about the another IPO where we have predicted subscription prediction, and it has comes true too. Dodla Dairy IPO prediction: expected subscription between 65% to 105%. Please keep watch on grey market strategy. Market risk on own decisions. Dodla Dairy predictions is given based on their presence across the world. Vridhivesh Finance give a favorite tips that is called as a prediction about IPO subscription. We are expecting this IPO subscribe between 85% to 190%. Please keep watch on grey market strategy. Market risk on own decision. Dear investors, these predictions can be failed too, because there are 3 IPOs are opening issues on the 14th and closing is around the 16th too. So there is no variation. An investor can confuse it, they can not subscribe, or they will choose particular IPO to invest it. So if you are a choosy investors, it is depends on you which IPO you will choose, and depends on the marketing strategy of the company is expected or their long-term growth. See, this company basically since 1995, means believe me, it has completed more than at least number of years, 3 decades around. So if you look at that, this company is totally around 30 years completing, then this company is long term basis. See, Sona Comstar is into automotive and it is into the Tamil Nadu, where they are into electric business in the northern region, like Haryana and all. So if you see, they are majorly doing automotive, so they will do long term business. Okay, it's not like a one day they will do it the business and everything. They are manufacturer always keep long term business. Krishna Institute of Medical Science IPO prediction and recognition. We are only giving a predictions. Recognition is also available on their websites. You can go through that. They receive various recognitions from different institutes since 2008 till 2020, where we are expecting this subscription between 75% to 180%. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Market risk on own decisions. Thank you. Vridhi Finance give one of the prediction subscription tips. This is not a tips, basically this is just a prediction. We are expecting this IPO will be get subscribed between 55% minimum to 135% maximum. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Market risk on own decision. Yes, the shares will be pre-issue shareholding will be 82.68% by promoters, and post shareholding will has not been disclosed yet, where you can see you can apply minimum one lot, that is 50 shares per lot, and cost will be 14,800. Maximum you can apply 13 lots, where the number of shares will be 650. And the amount will be cost you rupees 1,92,400 only. For further information, please log on NSE1 www.1nseindia.com. Dear investors, Vridhi Finance gives one is called as a prediction of IPO subscription. This IPO might get oversubscribed or this IPO might get less subscribed, but we have a little amount of predictions that this IPO can gives you good return with a short amount of time, either the day of listing or within a week of listing. So expected subscription band between 35% to 85%. Please keep a watch on Grey Market Strategy. Yes, we will share the GMP once subscription will be over, and market risk on own decision. See, listen, if you want to invest it, that is your choice only. We are not any forcing to you that you should invest it or not. Everybody have their own choice which IPO they should choose it. Dear investors and viewers, in case of Clean Science and Technology, we have given maximum 85% is a subscription prediction, and it has completed 93.41%. So it is against true. Dear investors, Vridhi Finance given IPO prediction tips. It's not a tips, it's just a prediction. We are expecting this IPO will be get subscribed between 65% minimum to 95% maximum. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Market risk on own decisions. Dear investors, Vridhi Finance given IPO prediction tips. It's not a tips, it's just a prediction. We are expecting this IPO will be get subscribed between 65% minimum to 95% maximum. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Market risk on own decisions. Dear investors and viewers, in case of GR Infra Projects, we have given subscription prediction is maximum 95%, and it has achieved 102.58%. Well, Zomato Limited do kind of charity too. The battle against hunger intensified. They are associated with Feeding India. Be Hunger Hero associate with Zomato, so they are doing like feeding to hungry people. Zomato Limited IPO prediction will given by Vridivej Finance is expected subscription between 75% to 150% maximum. And please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy, market risk on own decisions. Dear investors, Tattva Pharmaceutical Chem Limited is we are going to give the prediction. This is our one of the favorite segment, which where we are expecting this expected subscription between 65% minimum and maximum will be 80%. This is one we have estimating this kind of prediction for this company. Please keep watching Grey Market Strategy. Understand this week there are two IPOs are launching. One is a Zomato. They have did a lot of advertising, and apart from Tattva Chintan is doing little bit presence. Yeah, they are having global footprint too, but the thing is that where investors will choose by own choice which IPO that investor will get subscribe and understand their market presence, marketizing the products or their advertisements. So in this case, this is a Gujarat based company across India. They are having a large amount of client, but people literally really know this company. That is also remark. So that's the reason we have given this band of 65% to 80% subscription is estimated based on these terms. So please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Or market risk on own decisions. Why market risk on own decisions? Suppose we are not forcing anyone that you should subscribe this IPO or you should understand this IPO and all. We are just guiding you. This is a market risk on own decision. If you want to wish, you can apply for the IPO. If you don't want to wish, you can't apply for the IPO. Yes, in this case, if you see, there are two IPOs in this week only. One will be comes on 14th of July, and the another IPO is Tattva Chintan is coming on the 16th July. So if you are retail investor, you know where you have to put your money. So that's the reason we have given the ratings based on the company presence. Yes, this company is going to do well with a long-term basis. If you look for a long-term gain, trust me, chemical industry and pharmaceutical industry, both industry doing well, because chemical industry depends on the pharmaceutical, and currently pharmaceutical is also booming one. Okay, so yes, we will give some more idea in our upcoming videos. So keep watch on this kind of videos which will explore you about the knowledge of industry too. Dear investors and viewers, we have given Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited IPO subscription maximum was 80% and it has been achieved 180.36%. So that is also amazing, record breaking. Yeah, dear investors and viewers, this kind of videos we have not made. Yeah, we have made with the GMP, but yes, absolutely it takes a time to understand the market too. Hey investors, Vridivej Finance gives predictions about the IPO subscription, but nowadays our predictions fail because we are underestimating, might be, yeah, but this time we are giving based on the parent company's detail. Expected subscription between 105% to 280%. Please keep watch on a Grey Market Strategy and market risk on own decision, guys. So if you really want to invest it, please go ahead. If you don't want to invest it, You can invest after listing too. Yes, absolutely. Glenmark Life Sciences is a part of Glenmark Pharmaceutical. Dear investors, Vridhi Finance gives one favorite tips, that is subscription predictions about Windlass Biotech Limited IPO. We are expecting this IPO will get subscribed between minimum 75% and maximum 150%. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Dear investors, Vridhi Finance give prediction about the subscription for Zarotiles. We are expecting this subscription prediction will be between minimum subscription 65%, maximum subscription 95%. It can cross too, because nowadays there is a trend that number of times they have been subscribed or bid. But if you see, there is something else. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategies. Yes, it depends on what is listing gain they are giving. Then you can analyze how much really subscribe. We will also give the video where the reports are available about exact subscription and the bidding. Yes. Thank you by Vridhi Finance, and we are going to upload our new upcoming IPO overview subscription prediction part 2 very soonly by next week, because in that case basically why we are giving overview, because as we say, number of people dislike our video, so we want to tell before dislike you should watch this our video where we have changed the market trend to in the Jan number of people's not invested into the IPOs, but if you see since March they have invested too much to the IPOs. Whatever you see the success rate of IPOs as of now, that has changed the trends for the investor outlooks, how to apply, where to apply. There is a lot of awareness came probably in the 2021, and there is lot of investor, large amount of investor dump their money into the market. Means not dumb, it's invested into the market. So that's the reason we can say is that yes, don't look for the company, look for the company which gives you good returns, not in a short term but also in a long terms too. Hopefully we will have other reviews about the shares too very soonly. You just wait and watch. We will come with other 4 to 5 videos very soonly, this week or the next week too. Have a great day guys, and wait for part 2 subscription prediction overview from Vridhi Finance. We are available on LinkedIn too. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.